What I enjoyed most with the Upstate Alliance team was it was a very easy communication. They were always there for us. They pick up the phone on the first call or return it immediately. They brought us in contact with the right people. They actually took over at some point our agenda to streamline it and to help us to get around in the area. Not only government incentives, but also the support we received from all local authorities was extraordinary, was very good. We also found a great location here in Spartanburg, which fit exactly to our needs. The connection to the I-85, the hub being close to BMW. One of the best things we experienced here was the Spark Center, which helped us to get a temporary office, a temporary address, mailing services, all different kind of help in that area. And the best thing was for free. Having the Spartanburg Community College right around the corner, supplying us with Scholartech students, with maintenance mechanics, with mechatronics and programmers is a great help for us to develop our talent inside of our companies. We build up companies in China and India. I come here and it is so perfectly organized. I think that is what I can only tell to everybody, that is the greatest thing you can experience by working with the Upstate team.